The right ones will always have a reason to stay. Oh, it's not what you think, because I'm talking about friendships. There are several versions of different types of friends. So let's go over this. First, the people we know can be acquaintances. And it goes like this. Hi, my name is Ara. Nice meeting you. Okay. Acquaintances can offer friendly interactions, social media connections, and networking opportunities. Second, the people we know can be casual friends, like this. Hey, what's your plan for the weekend?
Recording in progress.
Okay, let's play badminton. So this type of relationship is based on shared environment or activities. Third, the people we know can be our close friends. I'm working here. Three. Oh, yes, hello. What? You broke up with you? You want to talk about it? Okay, I'll go. So, close friends, they are the people in our inner circle. We trust them because they are loyal to us and have our back. They comfort us and we spend quality time with them. So this relationship is based on the foundation of love and care. Right? Now, the fourth and the last one. The people we know can be our lifelong friends. The picture is like this. Janine, next week's my mom's birthday. You have to come, okay? Bring your husband and your kids. So this type of relationship transcends time and even the distance. So among those types of friendships that I mentioned, what do they have in common? Anyone? Aside from the word friends, the common denominator is that they can cause pain and sadness when they leave. Do you agree? Whether they mean it or not. Recently, I've met a group of friends whom I can consider as acquaintances, and it caused us sadness when we parted ways. In addition, I have a close friend whom I almost lost because of a misunderstanding. You know, the time I cried a lot and did everything I could just to save our friendship. You know, friends, it took me forever to realize that when we say people come and go, it includes our family and friends. But have you also thought that what if they don't go? Do you think you can go? Or what if you don't go? Do you think they will grow? Well, I'm not saying that you are the hindrance to each other's growth, but that might be true to some of us, people who wants to stay like they are rain. Rain, rain, go away. Because even us, we have our excuses. Come again another day. And sometimes we treat people who are gone or who are going like we are Elsa. And we say, come to me now. Open your door. Folks, give them time and space. Don't make me wait one moment more. Okay, so till we get impatient. Whether you want to stay or not, understand that like us, they should be, or they're gonna be where they should be. That everyone in this is a loss. Because people come to teach you a lesson and people go to move on to their next season. And so do you. Remember that the people who stay have a purpose to fulfill. So,